Hello students. Now after doing exercise 7.11 based on properties of definite integrals, now we will do some extra questions based on these properties. Starting with firstly, this is important question regarding the board point of view, and this is a little bit lengthy question. 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx, prove it equal to 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx equal to minus pi by 2 log 2. So this question is, we have to prove this result equal to this one, log sin x to log cos x. That will be done with the help of the property 0 to a is equal to f of a minus x, replacing x by a minus x, and after this equal to this one. So I am taking this one equal to I 0 to power 2 log sin x dx. Now using the property 0 to a fx dx equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. When this property is applied here, what it will become? 0 to pi by 2 log of sine of pi by 2 minus x, that is cos x dx. So now the first part is done. This result came. Take it equal to 1 and take it equal to 2. Now adding 1 plus 2. Adding 1 and 2. What you will get? I plus I, that is equal to 2i, is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin x plus log cos x, log m plus log n, that is equal to log mn. So this will come. So now after this result, what we have to do, inside the bracket we will multiply and divide by 2. Why? Because this became the formula, the numerator 2 sin x cos x, that is sin 2x. And then if this is sin 2x, then it is also log m by n. So log m by n क्या होता है? Log m minus log n. So 2 integration will become, one is log m, that is sin 2x dx, minus log n, that is log 2 dx, 0 to 5. Take it equal to y1 and take it y1 is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x dx. How to solve this one? Because we want the original integration in which only x, so we have to eliminate this 2x. So put 2x equal to t, so 2 into dx is equal to dt after differentiation. And what will be the limits? If x equal to 0, then t is equal to 0. X equal to pi by 2, then t is equal to 2 into pi by 2, that is pi. So the limits becomes 0 to pi log sin t, and what is dx? dt by 2. So 1 by 2, 2 is taken outside. So now this result, you can see that we have got the limit 0 to pi, but in all here we are getting the limit 0 to pi by 2. So we have to half the limit. और half the limit कैसे होती है? 0 to 2a वाली property लगा के. तो 0 to 2a property, how it will come here? This pi becomes 2a. So 0 to 2a, this is equal to 0 to 2a fx dx is equal to twice 0 to a fx dx when if f of 2a minus x equal to fx, means sine of pi minus t, that is equal to sine t. So the result use is twice of 0 to a, twice 0 to what will be the half pi by 2 log sin t dt. This 2 cancel, that is log sin x dx. So this is equal to what? Using the property number 1, and inside the bracket, that is 0 to pi by 2, log 2 is taken outside, inside the bracket is 1. So what is the integration of 1? That is x. And when you will apply the upper limit minus lower limit, what you get? Pi by 2 log 2. So both of these results, when you will put in that equation in which you are getting 2i, so that is equal to I minus pi by 2 log 2. This I will be minus on the left hand side. I is equal to minus pi by 2 log 2. This is the result. Pi by 6 to pi by 3 dx upon 1 plus root cos x dx. This one. Now, of this type, there is another question, that is dx upon here root n x. Same limit pi by 6 to pi by 3. And also there will be one more question, when you will change cot into cos by sin or tan into sin by cos, you will get a root sin x upon root sin x plus root cos x. As you have done the second question of the exercise 7.11, in that the limit was there 0 to pi by 2, but here is pi by 6 to pi by 3 there. So these two added, a plus b, that become 90. So 90 minus x. So why? We will use which property here? A plus b minus x. A to b fx dx equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x. This property will be used here. So when you will use the property there, after changing cot into cos by sin, so this result you will get. And after that, here x will be replaced by a plus b minus x. So this property will be used. Then here becomes cos x, and here sin x, root के अंदर, inside the root. So denominator will remain the same, and the numerator में इधर root sin x है, और जब आप property apply करेंगे तो root cos x है. So when you will add these two, 2i will be there, and on the right hand side numerator and denominator will be same, so they will cut each other, and we will get the 1. And integration of 1 is x. Upper limit minus lower limit, you will get pi by 6. So I will be equal to pi by 12. The answer of this question, that is pi by 0 to pi by 2 log tan x plus cot x dx. Now firstly, take it equal to I. Now we will change first tan x into sin by cos and cot into cos by sin. So when you will change tan into sin by cos and cot into cos by sin, the LCM will be, what will be the LCM? Sin into cos, and ऊपर numerator में क्या है? Sin square plus cos square, that is 1. So this result will come after changing tan and cot into sin and cos. And now what you will have to do? Again sin into cos is coming in the denominator. Multiply 2 and divide by 2. What you will get? And log m by n again, as in the previous question what we have done there. Log m minus log n. What is 2 sin x cos x? Sin 2x dx. 0 to pi by 2. So now here this integration we can do easily. What about this integration? So this integration, how we have to solve it? We will put 2x equal to t there. 2x equal to t, by putting 2x equal to t there, you will get log sine t there. And in this case, when you get log sine t there, and let us do it, 0 to pi by 2, log 2 is taken outside, 1 dx, minus 0 to pi by 2, log sine 2x dx. So this integration is I1 and this is I2, 0 to pi by 2, log sine 2x dx. Now put 2x equal to t. So dx is equal to dt by 2. What will be the limits? If x equal to 0, t equal to 0. If x equal to pi by 2, t equal to pi. So the limits will be 0 to pi log sine t dx की जगह पे आएगा dt by 2 1 by 2 outside. Again this is the question. How this question will be done? Log sine t dt 0 to pi. What you are getting here, you can half the limit, and when you will do the half of the limit, because sine of pi minus t, applying the property 0 to a f of a minus x, this sine t will remain the same, 1 by 2 into 2, 0 to pi by 2 log sine t dt. 2 cancel. Now this log sine t has come there, that is equal to 0 to I2 is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sine t dt. Now you can change into x also, log sine x dx, by applying the property, first property right there, and the answer of that question was minus pi by 2 log 2 is there. So this you will have to do according to what we have done earlier. Same question. So I1 was 0 to pi by 2, log 2 is taken outside 1 dx, and you can solve, and by putting the value you can get the result. And the answer of this question, that is pi log 2. Pi log 2. Say this is a minus 2 to 2 x square upon 1 plus 5 raised to power x dx. Now here you can see that minus a to a look like, but this property minus a to a we cannot use, because this function cannot be even or odd there, because when you will replace x by minus x, 5 raised to power minus x will become, and that denominator will making same, 5 raised to power x ऊपर आ जाएगा. So we cannot say that same function will come. So we will here put x equal to minus t, and dx will be equal to minus dt. So x is equal to minus 2, then t is equal to 2. When x equal to 2, t is equal to minus 2. So the limits are 2 to minus 2, t square upon 1 plus 5 raised to power minus 3, dx is equal to minus dt. So minus sign is taken outside. So this minus sign will be adjusted because these limits are interchanged. So minus 2 to 2, and this minus sign when becomes positive there, you will get 5 raised to power t, 5 raised to power t plus 1 dt, and t square. And after this, what you will have to do, this limit, this t square, we will exchange this t by x by using the first property, that is minus 2 to 2, 5 raised to power x square upon 5 raised to power x plus 1 dx. The function remains the same, but we have changed t by x here. So say this is a 1 and this is a 2. When you will add these two, 1 plus 2, what do you get? 2i is equal to x square, take common, and inside numerator and denominator will become, because here is 1 and here is 5 to the power x. So when we will add these two, the 5 raised to the power x plus 1 will become in the numerator, they will cut each other, and 1 aega and dx. So x square integration, we know that what is. Further integration we can do is x cube by 3, upper limit minus lower limit, and after doing that, the answer you will get, that is 8 by pi by 6 to pi by 3 sin x plus cos x root sin 2x dx. Now there is one question I will give to you in the same way, with the numerator same, but in the denominator the sin 2x will come but with a different term. So in this type of questions, what you will have to identify, this sin x plus cos x, it is the derivative of which, whose derivative is equal to sin x plus cos x, that you can find easily. Sin x is the derivative of which? Minus cos x, and cos x is derivative of sin x, means you will put sin x minus cos x equal to t, so its derivative will become in the numerator cos x plus sin x. Is it? So when you will differentiation, what you will get is whatever you can say, that the identification and the remarks what you will have to keep in mind, sin x plus cos x, for you that always put sin x minus cos x equal to t. So when you differentiation on both the sides, you will get this one. Now we want to get sin 2x, so you will do the squaring both the sides. What do you get? Sin square plus cos square plus minus 2 sin x cos x, that is equal to t square. तो sin square plus cos square क्या हो जाएगा? 1 minus sin 2x equal to t square. So sin 2x will be equal to t 1 minus t square. So you will put here dt and in the numerator 1 minus t square. Now also we will have to change the limits. When x equal to pi by 6, what will be the limit? T is equal to sin 30 minus cos 30, 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2, 1 minus root 3 by 2. And when x equal to pi by 3, t is equal to sin 60 minus cos 60, root 3 minus 1 by 2. So this integration you can solve easily. This is what is the result of this integration? 1 by root 1 minus t square, that is sin inverse t. And this is the upper limit, lower limit, and this is the upper limit. So after putting the upper limit minus lower limit, you can get the result. And the answer of this question is 2 sin inverse 1 by 2 root 3 minus 1. Hello students, this is an assignment from the extra CBSE board based questions of topic properties of definite integrals. Now the first question is integration from 0 to 2 modulus of x square plus 2x minus 3 dx. Answer of this question is 4. Second is integration from 2 to 3 greatest integer x square dx. Answer is 5 minus root 3 minus root 2. Third question is integration from minus 1 to 1 x minus greatest integer x dx. The answer is 1. Fourth question is 0 to pi by 2 sin x minus cos x upon 1 plus sin x into cos x dx. The answer is 0. Fifth question is if f of a plus b minus x is equal to fx, then find the value of integration from a to b x into fx dx. The answer is a plus b by 2 a to b integration fx dx. Sixth question is 0 to pi by 2 integration from 0 to pi by 4 sin x plus cos x upon 9 plus 16 sin 2x dx. The answer is 1 by 20